New tonight, hundreds of people rally at a Murray Hill Park calling for protections for trans people. As Jenna DeAngelis reports, this comes after the president's executive order aimed at cutting federal support for certain types of gender-affirming care.
Kids! A show of solidarity for the transgender community in a packed St. Barton Park.
We're here to stand with transgender youth who deserve health care like everyone else in this city.
Nearly 1 week after President Donald Trump signed an executive order aimed at cutting federal support for certain types of gender-affirming care for people under age 19.
I made it the official policy of the United States government that there are only two genders, male and female.
Since Trump has came into office, my rights have been continually stripped.
17-year-old Lorelei Crane joined the crowd marching to nearby NYU Langone with an important message.
Dear NYU, protect us, not your pockets. Sincerely, a trans kid.
It comes after the New York Times reported the hospital canceled appointments for two 12-year-olds who had been scheduled to receive implants that dispense puberty-blocking medication.
This decision is not just a moral and a medical failure. It is a betrayal of our patients and our profession.
NYU Langone declined to comment.
From NYU specifically, I know several people who had their appointments canceled.
New York Attorney General Letitia James warned hospitals that if they refuse to provide treatment, they would be violating the state's anti-discrimination laws. In a letter sent to healthcare providers Monday, the AG wrote, regardless of the availability of federal funding, we write to further remind you of your obligations to comply with New York state laws.
We're proud that New York State is the birthplace of the LGBTQ+ movement, and we'll never shirk our responsibility to protect individuals and their rights.
When this care is denied to trans children, we see really high suicide rates. So when we say this is a life and death situation, we absolutely mean it.
Daniel Golden among the hundreds gathered here who hope they're heard loud and clear.
Trans people have always been here. We are not going anywhere.
Jenna DeAngelis, CBS News, New York.
The Greater New York Hospital Association says it is in close contact with its member hospitals and working through every aspect of the executive order to determine its legal and clinical implications.